What up, guys? Welcome back to the trade recap of last Friday. Today's Sunday in the weekend already. Forgot to do the one on Friday because I was busy with work and school. But let me do the trade recap right now. I took a trade at 6 a.m. Yeah, it was 6 a.m. Yeah, true. On NQ. I was doubting to do it on ES actually because it looked cleaner on ES. But normally I don't trade ES that much. So I took the trade on NQ. And let me explain it real quick to you guys. This is like my go-to setup actually. I like more on the high time frames, of course, but you can do it on every time frame. So the reason I'm gonna show you guys. I took this short on NQ. We got the SMT with London low with ES, and I marked it out already. I thought by myself that ES was already gonna get London low before NQ when we were over here, because ES was a bit lower and it displaced harder than NQ. But despite that, I just took it on NQ and moved my stop when the SMT was made. I moved my stop to where was it? I think I moved my stop immediately to this candle body closure, or I took it off because I didn't want to take the risk because I was at work and couldn't control the trade. But let me explain the trade why I took it actually. So let me clean this up. This is a 1 hour fair value gap. So the reason I took this trade is because we closed inside this 1 hour candle again. So we created a 1 hour range, and I thought we were going for the 1 hour range low. Let me put it down actually. 1 hour range though. So I scroll down, of course, 1 hour time frame. You need a 5-minute CISD. So I was waiting for the 5-minute CISD. What happened over here? As soon as this candle's closed, I entered. Fill was over here, and I just write it down in the. I think in this 2 hours of price session, I was in a conversation with a client of mine during my work, so I wasn't be able to look into the charts, and I came in the charts around over here, and that's where I noticed that ES had taken London low already, and I thought by myself, okay, I'm just gonna take it off because I cannot manage the trade correctly. I made a mistake though, because I did put I was in a sell and I wanted to do buy 4 because I was in 4 contracts, but I accidentally pressed 2 sell. So my field just moved down and then I closed the trade. So my field was over here. So I just placed the trade manually. And I ended up making $300 on my eval. I'm not going to trade the funded yet. I have a funded, but I'm going to wait till I pass this eval so I can trade both of them at the same time to get that bigger payout. But that was actually the only trade I took on Friday. So really simple. 1 hour range was created with a 5-minute CISD. I thought the target draw was lower to London low. Only yes, we took London low. Scroll on the lower time frame. Oh, sorry. We took London low over here and immediately displaced higher. So I took it off an NQ. That was the only trade. I didn't look at the charts anymore. Also now in the evening I went to the gym and after I was working until, let me say that correctly, in US time because I'm not from the US. For me 6 p.m. 10 a.m. No. 12 p.m. Sorry, 12 p.m. So I could have traded PM, but my rules most of the time 1 and done, and I took a win. So I was glad to take it. Let me know if you guys took any trades, and see you guys for the next recap.